This is a part B where we are associated with the food launch in our city. Next one. So the contents here goes to history, the origin
content,
part.
Two,
Okay,
content, history, origin, which country, spread of food in a different part of the world, and the ancient history of reference, adaptation, new names, taste, and health rating, popularity, currently where all it's popular, price tag.
Okay, price tag. Here it is a competing food in a market. Your twist. What is our twist for the launch of this food in Hubli Dawad or native? Marketing strategy with punchline and the conclusion part. Next one. So this is the history. The history of the pizza begins in antiquity. Actually, it was launched in Italy. It was largely used by the British people with a military background based. So here the world pizza was first documented in the AD of 997 in Gaitai and successfully in different parts of central and southern Italy. Pizza was mainly eaten in Italy and by and by immigrants from there. This changed after World War II when alien crops they were in a stagnant here in Italy and came to join pizza along with other Italian foods. Next slide. So here you can see it was in origin, it was in Italy itself, like specifically from Naples. Like it's often given credit for making the first such pizza, which was really of a great vendors in Naples sold flatbreads with toppings for many years before then. Next slide. Okay, spread of food in different parts of the world. This is the spread of food you can see here. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah, those spread of food was in like globally, worldwide. Here it is in Japan. Basically in US, actually it is a very cheaper food compared but comparing Japan, we find pizzas are very high rated. Only the expensive people can use it. But here the toppings are very, like they use many toppings which are cooked with potatoes and bright yellow corn. They use mainly these things which are especially like their favorite versions. Next one, next slide. Next, yeah, in Australia, it is mainly like very famous for estimated acre of like they have pizza on a regular basis with a chicken plus chicken barbecue and sauce and pineapple. It's a specialty. Next one. In France. Okay, continue.
France. Continue. The best thing about the pizza is France. The best thing about the pizza in France, even though it varies by the region, you can often find in the beautiful Artisan cheeses, and the country is known as a peeled on top. So the France has been like they have been adapted to the pizza like in a cheese. So they were attracted to the pizza. So that's the reason they follow the like a fried egg and the pressy and the garlic air unique integrate. So they found in a pizza in the thoughtness of a France in a Naples. The next slide, please.
Yeah, as you know, in India, it is like not normally used. It is used only more in parties, but it is the fourth largest country. Like it is the fourth country where the pizza is eaten more. Next one. Yeah, in Naples also they use the ethnic flavors for their pizzas, like which are the Naples. It was during the 16th century itself, where it was not even a birthplace of pizza there, but they use more than the people, more than Italian people. Next one. Yeah, you can continue, Nagaraj.
Okay. Russia. The Russia pizza is heavily topped with seafood shaded in a tone mackerel, and the salmon are just a few Few that you will find as a far. The veggie so onion are a common choice. So there were in a pizza, the onion were common choice for the in a Russian pizza. So that was a huge sell in the Russian. Next slide, please.
Okay, in Turkey, these are seasonal based food where they use the lump and a combination of both thinny bread and a light cheesy dough. Next one. Here is a ancient history reference part. Next slide. These foods are similar to pizza that has been made since antiquity. In ancient Greece, citizens made a flatbread called palkois, which was flavored with toppings like herbs, onions, cheese, and garlic. Here they use the ingredients such as very normal and very natural things in the starting at the 16th century, where there was a healthy intake. But compared to these pizzas which we eat now, in the ancient time it was very different. So next slide. This is the adoption part. Yeah, you can go for next slide. Nagraj, you can
So,
continue.
yeah, please. Now it comes for the new taste from our end. Now we started the new name taste. Okay, so 8 exciting pizza flavor you have to try now. So berry arguel and the prosecute pizza food foodcrush.com. So there were 8 new names in the taste of India. So we can see that. So then in a
Continue, Nagraj.
macaroni and cheese pizza and the buffalo chicken pizza and steak and the ketloga and this these are the name of 8 exciting pizza flavored you have to try for the next time. Next slide, please.
So this is a healthy rating. A pizza is not only delicious, but can also be a healthy meal choice only when you can consider with the natural ingredients. Even though is put into its preparation. Though many frozen and fast food varieties tend to be in high calories, fat, and sodium. Other than these, it will be with the healthy one. If you can avoid all these calories, sodium, then the pizzas can be made in a healthier form also. But the ingredients matters. But the rating is the rating of pizza according to the WHO goes to 6.2. Next slide. Popularity. You'll deal with the currently where all it's popular. Next slide. This is the top 14 places in the world wide to have the best pizzas. You can go next. Okay, this is the price tag. Like normally comparing to all over like Domino's, all the great uh, great companies comparing all those things. I have referred. I have did all these things. Like veg pizzas, regular goes to 99 rupees, medium is 195, and large goes to 395. Non-veg is like regular for 165, medium 305, and large 549. Sizes of slide orders. Dip is 25 and veg passes goes to rupees 35. Next slide. So even chicken pastel, garlic, you can go through these. Burger pizzas goes to rupees 99. Veg mania prices and veg pizza mania goes to 59 and non-veg is of rupees 89. Okay, next slide. So your twist for the launch of food in Hubli Dawad. We are referring to the chocolate pizza where you can rarely find chocolate pizzas. So this is a launch, new twist where we can attract customers. Next slide. You can continue, Nagraj.
Okay, service we can see that 8. The cost of this pizza, chocolate pizza, where in India, so there is no chocolate pizza is not available right now. The cost of it's a cheap and the preparation it will take a 6 minutes for one pizza and cooking is a 4 minute and 4 minutes. The skills is easy as we everybody can try for it is a chocolate pizza. So as we will tell you about in the next slide. Next slide, please. So integrate the one for the one pizza, like one pizza, one red baked pizza base 500 grams and 4 TP SPS hazelnut spread and the 2 TBS and the chopped toasted hazelnut. So handful of raspberries throws it in a frozen icing sugar for the dusting. So we can see that. So nutrition for portion RDA. So calories of 129 kcal 6% and fat of 6 gram and 9% on this citrus and 1 gram and 5%. So next slide please.
So this is the direction part where first we have to, for preparing of the pizza, we have to go for the pizza dough, where to prepare the pizza dough, we need a small bowl to blend it, and you have to intake some yeast in that, dissolved for the 5 minutes, and mix the flavors and salt in a food processors to blend it. We have to blend it with the oil, machine running to it. When we'll add the yeast, the dough will just get layered out, and it will be of a smooth one, like normally we make roti and chapatis and all like that. We have to just dope it. Then later you have to cover those dough in the bowl with a plastic wrap and set aside in a warm dough free area until the dough remains in some volume about 1 hour. Then we have to punch it down, then form into a ball. Like we have to just do those stuff in some circular motion. Then the dough can be used immediately to be stored airtight in the refrigerator for 1 day. Next slide. So the direction, position the oven rack in the bottom of the oven and preheat to 450 Fahrenheit. So before you're getting the pizza done, first you have to heat it into 450 Fahrenheit. Then for the oven, then we have to put the rack at the bottom position, then place the pizza. The next one is line a heavily large baking sheet with a pentameter paper, where this paper is used mainly because so that the dough doesn't stuck into some papers, or like it doesn't form some uneven position. Then roll out the dough to a 9-inch diameter round. Transfer the dough into the prepared baking sheet using your fingers, making indentation for all over the dough. Brush the dough with butter. So you have to just blend it with the butter so that it doesn't stick to the parchment paper. So then bake until the crust is crisp and pale brown one. So you have to just bake it until it forms into some golden one, about 20 minutes. So immediately spread the chocolate walnuts, spread over the pizza, then sprinkle all the chocolate chips, whatever ingredients you have choose, you have to just sprinkle it around, so that like before you get it into the oven, you have to do all those things. Bake until the chocolate begins to melt, about 1 minute. You have to add the ingredients so that even it doesn't melt also, you have to add in that parameter heat. Sprinkle the hazelnuts over the pizza, then cut into wedges and serve. So like if you want some medium pizza, you can cut into 6 pieces. If you want regular, you can cut into 4 pieces. It depends on you. Next one. The marketing strategy.
Here it's come marketing strategies. So next slide, please. So product strategies. We include the natural integrates a concern with a good nutrition. Regional difference in a product can be seen in a dishes and a basis sorting in the taste needs to the consumer. What the customer and the consumer needs to the product for the particular product. So we are differentiating the product like other dishes. So these are the where we are attracting to the customer with attracting to the with a very much alternative taste to the this particular chocolate and chocolate pizza. We also plan to develop a new pizza called a space food that develop in a pizza in an international space and the station which where the vacuum sale in the future. And in India, to target the customer who prefer the vegetarian dishes. So as we all know, so in India, the non-veg and the vegetarian pizza is very attracted to the people to consume that. In a meal combo include the customization features where the customer can also the topping the crusts and the sauce. As we know, we go for the Domino's and KFC. So we in a pizza we need that sauce and crust to be have in us, and the exclusive choice of a chocolate pizza in the main course. So we can see that, and the serve Pepsi and the diet Pepsi and the Mountain Dew and mini twist. So these are the twist we are giving to this particular product. Next slide, please.
The pricing strategy: in case of strong competition from competitors, we thought to reduce the price so that we can capture the market, but we won't compromise on the high standard and quality service. The pricing strategy in the marketing mix, where it all depends on the size of the pizza ordered, that is small, medium, or a crust based one. The ingredients chosen, like what ingredients they choose, depend on that we provide the pricing. Then also the ingredients chosen and standard with high similar service experience as of top serving centers and can be seen from the customers. Next slide. Place and distribution strategy. Pizzas can be ordered here for the distribution strategy, where you can order through online, also where we provide the websites, you can order there also, and we provide delivery within the time offered, like within 30 minutes ordered. If not, we just plan to give the pizzas free of cost if the time is delayed, and with a high level of satisfaction among the customers. Next slide.
The people, as we can see that the location where we have chosen is a people centric service brand, and the focus on the customer and employee. To show the appreciation for the customer, we introduce the bell, where the waiter greet the customer when the ring bell. As we know that in Swiggy and the Zomato, the people with no contact list, no contact delivery, no, as we time now it's a time for the COVID, so we are not touching with the customer to hand to delivery. We are just giving them in a doorstep, so that we are providing for this particular chocolate pizza also. It will be hygienic and follow the standard operating procedure with a birthday cab and celebrate by the here warmly greeting by the staff. Next slide. Okay, promotion and advertising. Yeah, you can continue, please.
Promotion and advertising strategy. Here, the promotion goes to TVs, print media, online ads. We are preferring mainly for the campaign things and all. The sales promotion, which includes redeeming of coupons during checkout in online order, and also helped increase in the sales figures. Like comparing all the pizzas like Domino's and all, they prefer like redeeming of coupons is mainly of a high sales. We also plan to carry out promotional events on social media and publish advertisement on TVs, newspapers, and insert some magazines in newspapers. Next slide. This is a punchline where all you need is love and pizzas. So this where you can see here, we are just like penetrating over the pizzas for the love. Next one. You can continue, Nagraj. Okay, conclusion here. I hope like this presentation has helped you how to make a pizza. So we have given a clear idea of how you can make pizzas. You can just create your own dough and how you can maintain the temperature of the pizzas. So thank you. I hope you have this presentation has helped you for preparing your pizzas.
Finally, we will introduce our name. So my name is Nagraj. So thank you. And this is Sonia. So we have been introduced our new dish in a pizza chocolate. Thank you.
Pratik. Thank you, Le. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Le, video nang full normal ಕಳಿಸ ನಾ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Thanks, Le.
Bro, ನೀವು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ bro. ಪ್ರತೀಕ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಪಾ ನೀವು.